guys, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Devon.
This is your marketing moment.
We are on our third espresso.
And we are excited about this.
Yeah, we're really excited about marketing. Okay, keywords. You've heard it 1,000 times. It's the words that you rank for, page 1 of Google, right?
They're the ones that matter, page 1.
Yeah, right, exactly. But you can rank for 10,000 keywords and that doesn't matter. What you care about are the ones that you rank for on page 1, right?
And beyond just ranking on page 1, you want to rank for the keywords that actually impact your business. We had a client come on a couple years ago that had been spending all this money with a different agency, and the agency kept reporting to them, hey, we're growing in the search rankings. Look at all of these keywords you're ranking for. Just numbers, numbers, numbers. And then when they actually dove in and looked at it, they were all gutter and siting keywords.
Yeah, had nothing to do with their primary service, the thing that had the highest margins for them.
Yeah, the gutter and siding, they don't even want to do it unless they've got a roofing job with these people. And
absolutely. Yeah. So long story short, because we could go down the rabbit hole with keywords, but you want to rank for high quality keywords, the ones that really impact your margins and bottom line, and it's quality over quantity. That is your marketing moment.